We're here at the most famous ramen restaurant in the city. This place serves over 1,000 orders a day.
I want a tempura ramen.
Me, one Miku ramen.
Me, one yaki ramen.
Please come in. We'll serve you right now.
Sir, how could you do all those orders in one day?
Oh, it's a piece of cake for us.
Inside the kitchen.
We are using the latest noodle-making technology with this special noodle machine.
As you can see, it easily makes any kind of noodle you want in just a few minutes.
Wow! This noodle maker is so awesome.
How to build the noodle maker. Number 1. Build the press module. First, I'll build the pressing shaft to press the dough. The press plate. Add the motors. Connect to the battery. Next, I'll build the mold that holds the dough before it gets pressed. Now, let's build the frame and attach the press unit to it. Number 2. Build the outer case. The feeding chute. I'll test the machine with this small noodle mold first. Wow! Testing. Wow! Now, I'll test it with this big noodle mold. I will use these molds to shape my noodles.
It's our turn, Mom.
Give me a seafood ramen.
And me, a spicy pork ramen.
Sure, come on in. For the first one, I'll use this flower-shaped noodle mold.
Look, the dough inside is being pressed into noodles.
Now let's change to the star-shaped mold for the second one. Next, I'll cut the noodles into small slices. For the seafood ramen, I'll add squid, shrimp, fish cake, and a bit of green onion. For the spicy pork ramen, I'll add some shredded pork, mushrooms, half an egg, and a bit of chili.
What did you think of your noodles?
This is the best ramen ever.
Can I get a veggie ramen?
Sure, coming right up.
I have a green bell pepper.
I have a dough. Green bell pepper dough. For this time, the small noodle press head works best. The noodles are here. Just top them with mushroom, carrot, and green onions. And done!
I can't resist. One ramen for me too, please.
Sure thing. I have to make the most special ramen this time. Soon, our restaurant will be the most famous in the city.
This restaurant has caused a full-on noodle disaster.
You know what?
The boss is looking for a delivery truck. I will build it to get money.
What? I also build the car to get that money.
Let's see which one will win.
Okay, I agree. How to build the chain shaker. Step 1. Build the chain shaker frame. Step 2. Build the container. Step 3. Assemble the container into the vehicle. What about your vehicle?
Here it is.
How to build the Summit Seeker. Step 1. Build the Summit Seeker frame. Step 2. Build the reduction motor. Step 3. Build container. Step 4. Assemble the container into the vehicle.
Let's start.
Level 1 Speed Test. Chain Shaker. Test with the popcorn. Test with Lego parts. Fail. Oh no. Summit Seeker. Test with the popcorn. Test with Lego parts. Pass.
You lose.
Let's try again. Level 2. Bump. Chain Shaker. Fail. The Summit Seeker. Fail. The boss will be pleased with us.
I think so.
What are you guys doing with my Lego parts? Salary cut.
Salary cut.
Mom will definitely love this special birthday cake.
What's going on, Alex?
Daddy, I want to make a supersized birthday cake for Mommy, but I can't whisk the egg.
Guess we need a special egg beater.
Thank you, Mr. Hands.
Can you build a cargo across this broken bridge?
I'm not sure. Let me find the best option.
Huh?
Well done, Mr. Hand. It's so difficult.
I have got an idea. This is the best option.
I agree with you.